Lamb Chops Masala. Lamb Chops Masala is aromatic, succulent, and flavorful. The dish is simmered until the flavors melt together and the sauce thickens. Here is what you'll need: lamb chops, turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, Kashmiri chili powder, salt, coriander powder, whole garam masala, tomatoes, ginger garlic, onions, and curd. Heat a large pot and pour in 6 tablespoons of oil. Add chopped onions and sauté until golden brown, stirring occasionally. Add the ginger garlic paste and sauté until the raw smell dissipates. Sprinkle in the spice powders: 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons each of Kashmiri chili powder and chili powder, 1 teaspoon each of garam masala and coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then saute for a few seconds. Add the cleaned lamb chops and mix well. Let all the spices coat the chops. Cover the lid and cook on low flame for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Masala preparation: add the whole spices, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon each of cumin and peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek. Roast until they become fragrant, stirring frequently to prevent burning. Once done, turn off the flame and let it cool. Add the spices to the grinder jar and grind it into a fine powder, then set aside. After 10 minutes, flip the lamb chops and stir. As the lamb chops cook, juices are released from the meat. Cover the lid and cook for 20 minutes in the juices on low flame, stirring occasionally. Now add 3 large chopped tomatoes and mix. Cook them until they soften. Usually takes about 10 minutes. Whisk 2 cups of curd and add it to the gravy. Sprinkle in the prepared masala. Give it a mix. Cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Cooking time depends on the thickness of the lamb chops. Adjust the cooking accordingly. It took me almost more than 1 hour to cook them on low flame. Finally, sprinkle garam masala. Add coriander leaves. There comes the tasty and spicy lamb chops masala. Enjoy recreating this in your kitchen and let me know in the comments. Happy cooking!